The hallmark of a democracy is free and fair election. Elections are necessary because voting allows citizens to have an impact on the decisions and policies made by the government. Effective and efficient governance is ensured by capable leaders who properly manage resources and make well-informed decisions that serve the public interests. The Pope's intention for this month of August is for political leaders. We pray that political leaders be at the service of their people, work for integral human development and the common good, especially care for the poor and those who have lost their jobs. Pope Francis says that politics may be a complicated profession that puts a person's moral character to the test, but it is still possible for politicians to lead holy and moral life. Our political and social interaction should be guided by humanity because it fosters empathy and compassion, which helps us to recognize and respond to the needs and worries of others. There are various obstacles in this kind of politics, one of which is its being unjust at its roots. The quest for wealth and profit has led to the creation of an unequal, poor, and isolated society. The Pope proposes an economic model that is built on the idea of solidarity and the common good. He also calls for a culture of encounter and dialogue. Encounter and dialogue enables individuals with various origins, cultures, and point of views to interact with each other. People can develop strong empathy and compassion by having open discussions and direct interaction with others, which helps them better understand their experiences, challenges, and goals in life. The culture of encounter and dialogue are key tools in resolving conflicts as they allow for the peaceful exchange of views and the exploration of common ground. Therefore, we pray that political leaders serve their people by promoting holistic human development for the greater good, with a focus on helping the unemployed and underprivileged.